Decorating your front porch is a time-honored tradition for many people around the world. But before we get started, welcome back to And Then There Was Style. For many people, decorating the outside of their home for Christmas is just as important as decorating the inside. In today's video, we are going to take a look at some Christmas front porch and front door inspiration for you. If you haven't decorated yet, please use this video as a guide to take the pieces that you enjoy and implement them into your own front porch. Decorating your front porch is such a great idea. It's truly the first place that you will receive your visitors and guests during this holiday season, and it's okay if you want them to see that your festive attitude has spilled just a bit outside as well. Now, whether you choose to go traditional with your reds and greens, or you opt for something different, you are definitely sure to give your guest a smile when they step up to your door. Please enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, friends. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. I should probably say that more. Bye. I certainly hope that you have enjoyed today's video. If you decide to decorate your front porch, let me know what decoration style are you choosing. Also, these are some of my favorites from the video. I just have a thing for garland. I absolutely love it. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there is a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.